Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the i20 Ultra Max suit. First, let's get your suit ready for action. Begin by carefully unboxing all components and ensuring everything is present. Next, fully charge the main power unit. This typically takes around 2 hours for a complete charge. While it's charging, download the dedicated companion application to your smartphone or tablet. Remember to keep the suit powered off during this initial setup phase for optimal safety and connection. Now that your suit is charged and the app is installed, let's get it connected. First, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Then, open the i20 Ultra Max companion application and follow the simple on-screen prompts to pair your suit. Once connected, you can use the primary control panel located on the suit's chest for basic power and mode selections. For more detailed adjustments, like haptic feedback intensity, navigate to the settings within the application. The i20 Ultra Max suit offers a range of advanced features to enhance your experience. You can explore its 5 distinct operational modes, each designed for different activities, from relaxation to intense training. The companion app allows you to customize individual haptic zones, providing a truly personalized sensory experience. You can also set up automated routines and scheduled activations and monitor suit diagnostics, including battery life, in real time directly from your dashboard. To ensure your i20 Ultra Max suit remains in top condition, proper maintenance is key. After each use, gently clean the suit's exterior with a soft, damp cloth. Always store your suit in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to prevent material degradation. We recommend performing a firmware update through the companion application every 3 months to ensure optimal performance and access to new features. Also, regularly check all connection ports for any debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.